as the most important tool in modern industrial production and manufacturing. Why is CNC still only found in dirty and messy factories today? Today, we want to offer a completely different answer. What's your biggest challenge with CNC machining?
CNC programming can be very difficult, especially when you're looking for efficiency and precision.
For me, a CNC needs to be easy to set up and accurate.
Today, we are honored to introduce you to the new generation of desktop CNC. This is a personal desktop CNC that is efficient, precise, and highly intelligent. Nestworks C500, making CNC easier than ever.
My name is Paolo Velcic. I'm Italian and I've been a designer for more than 30 years. Parts I design and I machine are usually pretty complex. Selection of tools used to be my biggest headache. So many different kinds, I could never keep track of them. And this was true until Nestworks came along. Their tool management system automatically reads and logs each tool's info and usage history. This is really eye-catching. No more fumbling with the wrong tool or forgetting how long a tool has been in use. Without a stable clamping, it can be very difficult to guarantee accuracy during reprocessing. The embedded camera identifies the material and finds its location. Then the 3D probe handles the work offset automatically. Even for the super complex curved surfaces, I never have to stress about machining errors. The automatic tool changer, total game changer. I don't have to swap tools non-stop anymore. After every tool change, it auto-calibrates the tool length to keep precision locked in. This machine will even automatically match the best processing parameters according to the material and the tool installed, like cutting depth, feed rate, and speed. The most incredible thing is that I only need to drag the 3D file I designed into the NESCAM. It auto-generates the tool path with just one click. We start processing like magic. Even with over 18,000 RPM, the coolant keeps everything cool. The surface finish is way better than I expected.
My name's Brian Barrett. I'm an engineer, but also a maker. I love tinkering with fun projects in my free time. For me, a CNC needs to be easy to set up and accurate. It doesn't hurt if it's super safe as well. The things that stand out to me are the automatic leveling, especially handy for PCB work where precision really matters. The built-in LiDAR around the spindle is a big deal too. It stops crashes before they happen. If you've ever broken a tool or ruined a part, you know exactly why that matters. And it's surprisingly workshop friendly. The dust control means my shop's been a lot cleaner than I expected. The 800-watt spindle is strong enough to handle everything I've thrown at it so far. Carbon fiber, aluminum, even steel. The result is that instead of babysitting the machine, I can get on with the fun part, designing and building. That's what makes it exciting to me.
Nestworks changed everything. The studio is an active, open community. You will find the most creative ideas here. Before, I either paid outsources way too much or tried messing with a CNC myself. Now, I just upload my design, pop the material in, and it handles the rest all by itself. I can check how it's going on right on my phone. No more hovering over the machine all day. The changes it brings are extraordinary. My design and ideas can be quickly transformed into products. When machining is that easy, I get to spend more time growing my shop and creating more popular items for my clients. That is exactly what I need.
Design that used to take 2 weeks to develop now can be verified the same day. The efficient and precise metal processing capabilities have greatly helped my design and development.
I'm not limited by materials. I have complete creative freedom. I'm no longer worried about the potential health and safety issues associated with CNC either. I can just enjoy creating.
I can tell it's a really powerful machine that does really well with aluminum and can remove a lot of aluminum quickly, which has been one of my frustrations with other desktop CNC mills, is that the spindle's just not powerful enough and it's not...
Even anyone without any experience is just able to get a working component out of it.
You have PCBs that you can make with it, which is my goal. I want to do all that.
它把很多方面的那些功能以及具体的体验都做到了。
3次元データから加工する G コードの変換を、半自動で、AI を使いながら行ってくれる。でそのあたりが昔